everyone, you are welcome on our YouTube channel Japanese Phones, the world of the Japanese phones and smartphones. And today we have the smartphone, actually it's flip phone, directly from Japan as usual, and it's called Sharp Aquos SH-06G. It's a style of Japanese flip phone, and the core is running on Android operation system, Android 4.4 base version. So it hasn't actually Play Market, but you're able to install APK files, downloading them and then install inside the phone. And it's let's look from all sides on this device. It has the metal aluminium H frame, and the materials are pretty good as usual. The quality of the Japanese phones is the best, I think, in worldwide. So yes, the device, it has actually one interesting thing. It's one touch push to open flip button. Just with one finger you are open the device and you are able to answer the call, incoming call. Also, this is a simple flip phone for calling, messaging, or web browsing, or watching movies, online movies, or listening music. And it's not big. The size is 112 height, the 31 millimeters wide, and the thickness is 16.5 millimeters. The weight of the device is 123 grams, and it's really easily to navigate with one hand. You are able to navigate with a keyboard or using the EX touch cruiser system. It's like arrow on touchpad on notebooks. It's very easy to navigate. Also, we installed different APK files. It wasn't a problem. It was really easy. Let's try the Google search. Japan.
According to
and
Wikipedia,
it works.
Japan is an island country located in East Asia.
It has a 5.5 megapixel camera for quick shoots and also HD video recording, and it's enough for not professional camera. And also the device meets the waterproof and Dustproof standards, IPX5 and IPX7. On board there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 200 dual core, 1.2 GHz with a 4 GB ROM and 1 GB RAM, but you are able to install memory cards, microSD memory cards up to 32 GB or gigs, and we have already tried it. It really works here. The battery size is nearly 1400 milliampere hours, but it is enough for non-touch screen device. Really, it's good battery. And the main display is 3.4 inches, QHD resolution, 540 per 964 pixels. And also the device has a sub-display for incoming call, for missed messaging or missed calls, for observing, or there for observing of time. It's very easy. The device has the Bluetooth version 4.0, also microSD interface, and also in complete we have the one interesting thing accessory. It's a cradle for charging and not using the micro USB port, just like a stand. It's very interesting thing because it meets Dustproof and waterproof standards, so it will make more long life of the micro USB port, I think. You're able to install programs, as I said, and listen music or watching movie, and we made it, we tried it, it really works. Okay, thank you for attention, you're always welcome.